In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency Microsoft Access tutorial. By the end, you'll know how to switch the system currency symbol that Microsoft Access uses and how to make sure your tables display values in a proper currency format. First, we'll update the currency symbol in Windows because Access reads that setting. Start by opening the control panel. If you don't see it on your desktop or start menu, use the Windows search bar and type control panel, then open it. Inside Control Panel, look for Region. Depending on your Windows version, it may be called Region or Region and Language. Open that, then click the Additional Settings button. This opens a detailed customization window. Go to the Currency tab. Here you'll see options for the currency symbol, decimal symbol, and how numbers are grouped. For our purpose, focus on the currency symbol field and change it to the symbol you want to use, such as GR, or another regional symbol. This is a system-wide setting, so it affects applications that rely on Windows regional configuration, including Microsoft Access. When you're happy with your choice, click Apply, then OK to confirm and close those windows. If Microsoft Access is currently open, close it and reopen it so the new currency symbol is picked up. A quick restart of the app ensures your forms, reports, and data sheets show the updated symbol consistently. Now let's make sure your table fields in Access are actually formatted to display as currency. In your database, open the table you want to adjust in Design View. You can do this by right-clicking the table name in the navigation pane and choosing Design View. In the Design Grid, select the field that stores money amounts. With that field highlighted, look to the Field Properties pane at the bottom of the window. Make sure you're on the General tab, find the Format property, click the drop-down and select Currency. This tells Access to display that field using the system's currency settings, including the symbol you just set in Windows. It controls how the value looks when viewed in data sheets, forms, and reports without changing the stored data. If you've been seeing plain numbers or inconsistent symbols, this setting usually clears that up instantly. Finally, save your table so the change sticks. You can press Ctrl+S or click the Save icon. That's it. You've updated the Windows currency symbol and ensured your Access table fields are formatted as currency. With these two pieces in place, your database should now present monetary values clearly and consistently across your objects.